Hi, welcome back in another video. So in this video we will be creating a business. So as I told you, the businesses will act as a branch that you have. If you have multiple branches, so you can add multiple businesses, or somehow like if in a one business you have multiple floors, and you have a 5 POS system where your system is installed, and you want to register every terminal, so you can add the terminal details here, so it will be registered as a business branch in ZATCA. Okay, so for these, let me give you some details. Actually, in ZATCA there are three modes. The one is sandbox, one is simulation, one is production. In sandbox mode, this is a completely a sandbox environment where you can enter any 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit OTP and any VAT number, default VAT number, which is this. But if you want to do some things in the simulation mode, the simulation environment, so the simulation environment and the production environment are the same environment. Like everything you will see in the production, you will also see in the simulation. Like if you log into the ZATCA portal, and you will see in production mode, you will see the list of devices, list of branches that you have registered as a business. So in simulation mode, you will also see the list of branches, the list of POS system that you have installed in simulation mode. So but in sandbox mode, you can only have opportunity to connect with the ZACTA, send your invoice to compliance, send your invoices, validate your invoices. In sandbox there's a restriction. There's only 2 to 3 APIs. You can validate your invoice. You can check invoice compliances only. But in simulation mode, you can follow the process, end-to-end process, what is going to be through in the production. Like you will validate your invoice, then it will submit your invoice and send you a message that yes, your invoice has been delivered to the ZATCA, and you will get the QR code and you can scan on all these stuff. So same in the production mode. So if you have a ZATCA real actual if you have actual ZATCA account, you can log into there. You will see a multiple options there, the list of devices, the onboard new devices, renew, CSID, and the summary, how many invoices you have been submitted to the ZATCA, how many invoices are passed, how many invoices are failed, how many credit notes you have submitted to the ZATCA, and all these stuff. So let's go through. So the first field is the business name. You can name it to your branch name or the main business name. I use an example, online store. So let's name here demo YouTube video. In business, you can write business owner email or any branch email that you have. Register address, it could be the any address. I'm writing any address that where your branch is located or where your POS email is installed. So the business categories, it could be the medical, it could be anything. But if you are running an online business, like on WordPress, you are usually doing online business, so you can add the e-commerce. So OTP in sandbox environment, there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 OTP by default using, and this is the option this business is allowing us to create a B2C and B2B invoices. The B2B is stand for the invoices business to business, and B2C is invoices business to customer. Okay, so this is the CRN number. You will have the CRN number from the seller information, like from the business information. If you're integrating a business to send invoices to ZATCA, so the owner of the business will have these information, the CRN number. So I'm supposing the CRN number is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the building number should be the 4 digits, and the plot number is also 4 digit. The street code you can send any, and this is the postal code, the city subdivision, the city name, and the city sub entity, and this is the VAT registration, and the country code is always set to the SA, Saudi Arabia. Okay, so now let's go to create and register a business. Okay, so well, business our business is created online store demo YouTube business. The serial numbers is assigned. The we mode we selected the sandbox, and it will allow us to create both both type of invoices, B2C and B2B, and email. And today we have created all these. So if we go to the details of the all the business, so it will share you the business detail what we have written in the create function. Okay, so here it is. So I'm planning to add another option, renew a CSID. So if I saw the user response on these, so I'll do another option, which is the renew CSID. So every time you create a business in ZATCA, it will set an expiry days to next 5 years. Okay, so this is what I'm not considering it. This is we have to do immediately. Okay, so at above you can see there is a much filters that we can use, the simulation filters. Obviously we don't have any business that is a simulation environment, so this is a nothing result. So we go back to the sandbox, the only B2C. So the only business that registered the B2C, the only registered that is registered B2B, and it will return the all the results. Okay, so this is the demo about the businesses. So in next video we'll be talking about the invoices and more details about how you will send the invoices to the ZATCA. Thanks, bye bye.